Glad to have you with us once more. Fishing over at Bowles Grove Park continues, and this was a strange day. Really high blustery winds blowing from behind me. It was so gusting at times that I just couldn't put up my windbreaks. It was just not worth the risk of them blowing into the water. You'll notice in some of these pictures that you'll hear the wind gusting. I left it in because it's important because of the scenario. Started fishing after 1 o'clock. Parts of the video where I'm actually fighting the fish, I've speeded up. The unfortunate thing about today was that I had set up a second camera and I thought it was recording, but in fact it wasn't. So it's just a one camera day today. First fish, looking pregnant. Started to pack up around about 4 o'clock, and to my surprise, this happened. So there we are, second fish of the day, again looking pregnant. And this fish was the largest fish I have caught this year so far. Thanks for watching.